Examples on Pythagoras theorem. The example says here is base of a prism is right angle triangle. So if it is right angle triangle, it should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So according to the given conditions and Pythagoras theorem, 4 square plus 8 square should be equal to 10 square. When you put the values in it, you find that this condition does not satisfy. So the length of hypotenuse must be something else. Or you can consider another possibilities of having the length as different. For an example, 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now we'll find the volume. Volume means base area into height. Base is triangle, so the area is 1/2 base into height. And the height of the prism which is given, it is 2 centimeter. So the volume becomes 32 cubic centimeter. Another example. The length of hypotenuse is 5 units. Now you have to find how many right angle triangle can have the hypotenuse with the length 5. So if I say the length of a smaller side is 1 unit, then the other side would be square root of 24, and then it satisfies the condition. If I say the smaller side is 2 unit, then still it can satisfy the condition with the other side as square root 21. So the conclusion here is you can consider any length for the smaller side and then you can find the other side. This way you will get number of triangles which will satisfy the condition. So the conclusion is you can have infinite number of triangles. Question. A right angle triangle is having the length 6 and b and the hypotenuse given is c. So based on the given condition, we have drawn the triangle, and as it is right angle triangle, we will be using Pythagoras theorem. So c square minus b square will be 6 square, or a square plus b square equal to c square, which is 6 square plus b square is c square. Putting the values, we get c square minus b square as 36. And we use the formula of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Another given condition is the perimeter is 18. So perimeter means adding all three sides, which gives the value as b plus c is 12. Now we will put this value in the equation number 1. So when we put the value, we get c minus b as 3. We will name it as equation 3. When solving equation 2 and 3, we get the value as c 7.5 and b 4.5. Next question. In a right angle triangle, you have been provided with the lengths. It says the difference is 23. So if first length is a, the other length will be a plus 23. So we will be using here Pythagoras theorem as it is right angle triangle. Putting the values gives you the equation. Now at one step we have to find two numbers where the multiplication is 1848 and the addition of those two numbers is 23. So we get the values as minus 56 and 33. As the length can never be negative, the value of a will be equal to the positive number which is 33. And now you find the perimeter. Perimeter is addition of all sides which is 154.